Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to insert plan views and the north arrow symbol. First, insert plans. Step 1. Open a sheet A101 floor plan level 1 to insert a plan. Step 2. Find the view on your project browser to insert, drag, and drop the view to the sheet. Step 3. To fit into the title block, you must change your drawing scale. You can double-click and change the scale, or you can change the scale from the Properties palette. Step 4. Move the view to be centered and change the length of the title bar to fit into the title blocks. Repeat this for the site plan, the floor plans, and the ceiling plans. Second, insert the north arrow. Step 1. The north arrow is under symbol from the Annotate tab. Step 2. To add the north arrow, you will open a plan view. Step 3. On the Properties palette, orientation should be changed from Project North to True North. Step 4. Click symbol from the Annotate tab. Step 5. Select North Arrow 2 on the Properties palette. If you cannot find North Arrow 2, you need to load the North Arrow family from the Annotation folder. Step 6. Place the North Arrow 2 on your plan view. Step 7. Change orientation again from Tour North to Project North. Step 8. Move the North Arrow to the corner of your plan. Repeat this for site plan, floor plans, and ceiling plans. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to insert plan views and north arrow symbol. Thank you.